Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I have something easy to show you today. It's going to be quick. What it is this. I bought this image over here on the left, and there were about 10 more that went with it. And it's supposed to be making like a table runner or something with fall leaves on it. Well, when I opened it, I was really kind of bummed at it because if you look closely, you can see, some of these places where, well, let's see if I can scroll in for you, where the stippling goes over the line of what you're trying to show. Okay, let's see if I look at this. The stippling goes over the lines. And there are many more places like that. So I was sort of bummed about it. Scroll back out a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to take a shape, any kind of shape, and fix it so your stippling fits perfectly, like it does over here on the dog bone one that I made. So let's open up a new page and I'll show you just how easy this is. And I think all you need is Stitch Artist Level 1. I'm pretty sure. So let's go to a new page and I'll X this one out. No. Okay, so here's our new page. I'm just going to come up here to the library and bring in a design. Now I wonder if we have any leaves here. I don't know. I have not looked at this. Well, let's look at the shapes. All right, so we have leaves right here. We could do this easily. So I'll bring in a leaf. And there's my leaf shape, just like that. Okay, and it's right here. And I'm going to come up here to create mode, and I'm going to put run stitches on it, just like that. I'm also going to take that same one and I'm going to duplicate it. Now I can come up here to copy and paste if I like. Notice there's another one right here. I'm going to change its color so I can keep track of who's who, basically. So I'll just change it to this dark color there. Okay. So I'm going to go back to the one that's red, and I'm going to come up here to this tool right here, and I hope you guys have this. This might be something that's not in Stitch Artist Level 1. I'll have to double check. This is the Contour Lines button. I'm going to click on that, and notice I have it fixed so that it echoes the outline outward, and it's just going to go at that percentage. I can change how much it offsets. And I just wanted to do one step. I could change this if I want to make a bunch of them, but for what I'm doing today, I just need one. And I'm going to make that a run stitch. So over here, you'll notice that's the echo run, and this was the original run. I'm going to delete the original one by clicking my select button and then hit delete. So now what I want to do is I do need to draw a box, because I'm going to put this into a quilt square kinda. So there's a box. Let me just put stitches on that first, run stitches. I'll go back out of create mode. Let's pretend I want this square to be 6 by 6. So I'm going to unlock this lock, and actually I'll make it 4 by 4. 4 by 4 and hit enter. All right, so there's my box that's 4 by 4. I could grab all of these things now and say send the designs in the hoop, just like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the echo run, hold down my control key, and get the run. So I have two things selected in the objects panel and over here. Next thing I'm going to do is come back here to the create mode, and I'm going to come right here to the stipple area. Stipple. Oh, I'm not ready for that yet. Hang on a minute, you guys. I need to select the echo run, hold down my control button and get the box, and then come up here where it says create outline combine holes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this and I'm going to say stipple. So notice what that did. That stippled all out here, and it didn't go over my leaf at all. And of course I could change my leaf to a better color. We could make him, something else that would show up better. Okay. And we could even actually fill this leaf if you wanted to. You could make it a fill stitch like this. And that's how it would work. And so when you go like this with the Stitch Simulator, it goes all the leaf doing the filling, then it's going to do all the stippling around. Unlike this one over here, you'll notice it does the box first, which is fine, It's doing the stippling, but my issue is I don't like these little circles here. I don't know why that did that. And when it starts putting in the leaf, the leaves are getting covered by, or the stippling is getting overrun by the stitches. So again, if we look in a little bit closer, you'll be able to see more where it's run over them there. This is kind of odd. Let's see, these are running over, this is running over, this is hitting, this is hitting. So like I said, I purchased this today and I was going to use this to make a table runner for upstairs in my TV room, and I'm not happy with this, so I'm going to make my own and just work on it and see how easy it is. Now this one, of course, there's no veins in it yet. I have yet to do that, but I just wanted to show you how you can put some space around your stippling. So let's do one more real quick. Let's go to New. Let's go to Insert an Object. Let's get another leaf. How about this one? Sort of looks like a maple leaf, and I might make it bigger if I'd like. And I'm going to go ahead and Control Copy and Control V to make a duplicate of it. I'm going to make this a different color. Okay, so we know which leaves are which. I can also come up here now to the Create mode, get a box and put it around here. And of course, I could change it to 5 by 5 if I'd like. I'm going to take my first leaf and I'm going to come up here and make it larger, right? I'm going to contour outside and I'm going to add stitches to that. So then it's going to be an echo run. So what I did was I added an echo to my original, and then that's the echo run. So I'm going to delete my original. And there might be another way to do this, but right now this is the best way that I've found right now. So with my echo, I could leave it just like it is. I could have changed its size before, but I'll leave it like it is. So I'm going to click on the echo, hold down my control, click on the line and say Create, Outline, and Combine Holes. And now I can click on the outer edge of this, add my stippling, my nice stippling, and then I can make this leaf if I want to, something like that. It's right now a single run. I could make it a bean. I could make it different kind of things right here. Sashiko. Okay, so what I could do now if I wanted to is come back to my run and stitches, and I can see that originally it stopped and started right here. What I could do is make it stop up here, and well, let's see what's going to happen if I do it like that before I mess with it anymore. Go to the Stitch Simulator. It's going to do all that. So it started right down there and it's going to stop at the top up here. Okay, so I can go back to the Stitch Simulator. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start a vein up here. So I can click here and I'm going to start and just come down here, and I should have probably hold down my shift key so I can go straight out like that and come back, and then I'm still holding down my shift. I'm going to come straight back, straight out there to that, straight back and down, holding down my shift key while I'm doing all these so I get a nice straight line. And I think I would just stop there so I could hit the end button, the right click to end it. And here it is here. I can make it threads. I can make it a single or a double or a bean, whatever I'd like. And so let's check one more time in our Stitch Simulator to see what we have. We have the leaf, we have the veins, and we have the stippling. And look how easy it is for us to do that ourselves. Okay, look how beautifully that turned out. And we can do this ourselves with all different kind of shapes. This could make a cute bug rug. It's a little puffy because I put batting in between, some warm and natural batting in between. But I think it turned out super cute, and I like how the stippling does not overlap any of the stitching on the leaves. So I hope you enjoyed this. See you again soon. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. So many of you come and watch my videos and you're subscribed, but you didn't hit the bell, so you're not told when I go live. So thanks. Bye.